Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to move page margin in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now simply select File option and select Page Setup option and select and Apply to and select Whole Document. Now I'll move top margin 2 centimeter, move back and left and right remain same. Now simply select OK and see this top and bottom margin already changed and left and right remain same. Also I'll move left and right, select file option again, page setup, I'll make it 2 centimeter also and select here whole document again and OK and see this left and right margin also you can increase same way margin. You can select page setup option and select whole document. I'll make top margin 3 centimeter and bottom margin 3 centimeter, left right remains same. Now select OK and see this. In this way you can move all of this margin as you like. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.